Found an NBP file in your backup archives? This is a Nero BackItUp project containing your protected data. Let me help you restore what's inside. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through the recovery process. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for NBP problems. See below for my top choice. NBP files are backup project files from Nero BackItUp containing backup job configurations and archive file data. They store backup source selections, schedule settings, compression options, and the package data from executed backup operations for file and system recovery. Nero BackItUp NBP project files use a proprietary compressed format storing backup job definitions with source path lists, backup type selections, full incremental or differential compression settings, encryption parameters, and the archive file data with directory structure preservation. Technically, the best program for NBP is usually Nero BackItUp from Nero AG. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows typically cannot interpret these files directly, so reading them requires associated backup software. To open this specific NBP file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Nero BackItUp is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If your NBP file still refuses to open, stay calm. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, restoring with Nero BackItUp. Launch Nero BackItUp and use the restore function to open the NBP backup file. The application displays the archived file and folder structure. Select individual files or complete directories for restoration. Choose the restore destination, either original locations or an alternative directory. Next, browsing backup contents. Open Nero BackItUp and navigate to the backup archive browser. Load the NBP file to view its contents without restoring. Browse the directory tree to locate specific files and verify backup integrity. This preview ensures you restore the correct files before committing to the restoration operation. Finally, recovering without Nero. If Nero BackItUp is unavailable, try renaming the NBP extension to zip and opening with 7-zip as some Nero backup formats use standard compression internally. If this fails, install the Nero BackItUp trial from Nero.com, which provides temporary restore functionality for accessing your archive data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at FileMagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.